The House of Wisdom. The House of Wisdom was a prominent intellectual center established in the city of Baghdad, Iraq, during the Islamic Golden Age in the 9th century. It was a hub of scholarship, scientific research, and translation, where scholars from different culture and religion gathered to exchange knowledge and ideas. The House of Wisdom was founded by Caliph Harun al-Rashid and later expanded by his son Caliph al-Mamun. The caliphs were known for their patronage of the arts and science, and they encouraged scholars from different backgrounds to come and work together in the House of Wisdom. The House of Wisdom was home to a massive library which contained thousands of manuscripts and books from all over the world. The scholars who worked there were tasked with translating these works into Arabic, which was the lingua franca of the Islamic Empire at the time. The translation covered a wide range of subjects including philosophy, mathematics, astronomy, medicine, and geography. It was also a center for scientific research, and scholars there made important contributions to fields such as algebra, trigonometry, and astronomy. One of the most famous scholars who worked at the House of Wisdom was the Persian polymath Al-Khwarizmi, who was often referred to as the father of algebra. The House of Wisdom was not just a place for scholars to work, but also a place for public lectures and debates. It was open to public of all backgrounds, including Muslims, Christians, and Jews. This inclusivity and openness were hallmarks of the Islamic Golden Age, and it allowed for all the free flow of ideas and knowledge between different cultures and religions. Unfortunately, the House of Wisdom was destroyed in the Mongol invasion of Baghdad in the 13th century. However, its legacy lived on through the many works of scholarship and scientific discoveries that were made there. The House of Wisdom remained a symbol of the importance of education and the pursuit of knowledge in Islamic culture. That was the House of Wisdom. Best of luck.